Hey, hey, hey. Okay, guys. Yeah, I look crazy. Oh. Okay, I look a little crazy, but I did just go to shop, right? It's supposed to be a storm. I wanted to go shopping, get my shopping done early Sunday morning. So, excuse the look. Judge your mom. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what we got. Oh, well, first of all, update on one of my kids. Somebody lost a tooth. Sorry, what's that on your one little tooth? What you was eating?
I don't know.
Sorry, lost the tooth. Yeah, he looking a little rough. He need a haircut. But it's alright. Alright, so let's get on to the food haul. So.
Mom put some of these.
Wait, can I?
Yeah, Jeremiah already got to these. You what?
Can I help you?
Alright, go ahead. What we got? I went shopping by myself. I left the kids home with an adult because I didn't want to take them out in the cold. And plus, it's easier to shop without kids if you have kids.
And we got some sausage.
You and your little missing tooth. Yes, we got some breakfast sausage.
And I
I like this
sausage.
kind, the Vermont maple. Really good. Here. All right, come on now. What we got? Oh, he need help. All right. So, yeah, we got some cheese. Meat. Move the table
We
closer
got some
to the
meat.
chair.
Some meat, some corn, and some cookies.
Cookies that I will make.
And some chocolate.
No, that's ice cream.
What?
That's Snickers ice
Snickers
cream.
ice cream.
And some
Vanilla ice cream.
Regular.
And
Hold on, sorry. Hold on. Come on, sorry. Finish.
we got some.
That's something that I want Jeremiah to try. Well, I want all of y'all to try it, but I really got it for Jeremiah.
Some popsicles.
Whole fruit bars. We'll see.
And some pizza.
Alias pizza.
Things to keep the kids happy.
Pop.
They can make on their own, or it's real quick to make.
Pepperoni and cheese.
Yep.
Yep.
Nana does not like pepperoni.
No.
I like pepperoni and cheese. I like both.
All right, what else we got over here?
Some grapes.
He's skipping around. It's all right. Come on. It's all right. Come on.
Some
Show them what you want to show them.
grapes And
Uh-oh, help us.
some chips. And some more chips. And some more chips. And some more chips.
They was on sale.
And bread.
This is my new thing, y'all. Spicy sweet chili. I don't know what it is about those. I really like those. Eggs and bread.
And bread.
Yep.
What is this? Ground turkey?
Yep. You can read.
My
Turkey.
favorite.
Cheese.
Meat. Cheese.
I
Pie
always have
for Josiah and Mommy.
Chicken pie.
Yeah.
Yes, I love those, right? He always gets eggs. Can I get one of these? Can I get one of these? Okay.
I'm going to put these in the freezer.
What is that?
Wait, I gotta organize the freezer with this. Read it. You don't know how to read? Come on, come over here. Jibber, what we got over here? Jibber is, excuse him, he's eating and
We got
doing his
some
own
milk.
thing.
We got some milk.
Section.
And we
It's
got
alright.
some apple juice. And some more apple
That's
juice.
my.
And nana apple juice.
Got 3
She claims the whole one.
And this is mine. This is my apple juice.
Oh, you claim the apple juice now
You can
too?
share
Yeah.
with me.
I thought you didn't like. Oh, he claiming one too.
You already put your mouth on
All
it.
right, everybody claiming apple juice.
Okay.
All right, come on. Jasiah, what's this? Chicken parm and Salisbury.
Sausage.
For the quick dinner. Salisbury, sorry. I love these.
Pistachios. I like them too.
Do you really?
And some yogurt.
You lying.
No.
You really like those?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. Well, you can have them, girl. The picky
And
eater
some
over here.
Yogurt that you drink.
Animals and M&M yogurt.
Yogurt.
But I don't really like them.
I love these. These are fun.
They taste like
Oh,
cheese.
No, it don't. And I only got them because they was on sale. They normally not on sale. That's
Asian.
teriyaki noodles.
Oh.
And we got some teriyaki.
Pure peppermint. This is a different brand than what we normally get, but it was on sale, so I figured I would try it. Pure peppermint herbal tea.
Just like, wait, look at this stuff.
You okay, Jibber?
Applesauce
Some applesauce.
and
Jibber loves
oranges.
applesauce. We
I
all
love-
love these.
Yeah, I love
not me.
Jasiah, you don't really care for applesauce too much.
I know.
I got some diced fruit cups. Jibber likes these.
And
too.
butter, so I can make
I
my
always said that.
pancakes. Like
And some deodorant.
2-pack.
And then leave-in
One for me, one for
conditioner.
Jasiah.
And this stuff for
And
Mommy.
Jamil soap.
And then
Yes, Jerry needed some more soap and water.
What is-
Soap and
and
water.
Soap and water.
Soap and lotion.
Wait,
He
what is
used
this?
baby Dove.
Is this conditioner?
I love it on his skin.
Yeah.
This is conditioner, more, and then shampoo.
Ooh, he's running low. It was a one, you know,
I
ShopRite
think
don't
you
really
laugh.
have, ShopRite don't really have many hair care products for
Okay, let's go over here.
our
now.
hair. So I got what I could find. Because I only wanted to go to one store today. I don't want to go anywhere else. So I got what I could find.
Guys,
All right, what
we
else?
got
Did y'all say milk? We got milk.
Yeah,
Jibber,
yes,
what you
I-
doing with
I
those?
got-
Got 2 milks for Jabber to drink.
Okay, so
I
messy.
said that already.
Even though everybody else
Okay.
always drinking it.
Now
All right.
go back.
Go here.
Oh, I forgot all about that.
And some ice.
We got a big thing of ice in.
Yeah.
Oh,
And some iced tea.
Southern
And some
Sweets.
plates.
This is the
Plate.
best one. You should get it.
And
And then vegetable
Spoons.
oil.
and forks. And plastic bags. And more plastic bags.
Cup, foil cups. And then this
And
little-
some Oreos.
They were on sale.
I like these and these.
and then cheese it thingamajigger.
And,
Something new to try.
and
This
some
big thing of cinnamon toast
big
crunch.
Can you tell that's
This
their
is
favorite
so
cereal?
Heavy.
Ooh, and then
Ow.
cornbread muffin.
This is so
And then
heavy,
the
guys.
chewy things. I don't know what these are called.
Really?
Chewy.
I just call them granola bars. but
Granola
That's
bars.
I
not
like
really what they
those.
are.
And then these are granola bars. Alright.
I guess.
And some cake.
Cake mix and crackers.
No, these are brownies.
Brownies.
This is cake mix.
And
Hamburger
some of
helper.
these
This
Hamburger
hamburger
chips.
helper.
Some of these chips.
Okay, now I have to go back over there
Some
because
more
Jasiah skipped everything.
Some
Jerry
more.
likes those.
And
Jerry, you dropped
some
something?
And we done.
These are for babies, but Jerry likes to snack on them, so it doesn't hurt a soul to get him something
Why would you ever?
to snack on.
Oh. Yeah, Come on, Jill.
Okay, so
Mashed
this stuff was
potatoes.
already here. Don't worry about that stuff.
And then
More.
cake mix for me to make. And then mac and cheese, the best kind.
Okay, so I got these for y'all. These are for you, the ones with no meatballs.
And me too.
Yeah.
These are for me.
And then
What we got, Jerry?
icing.
You got some meat?
Vanilla icing. We're gonna make it.
No, these are for me too.
Okay, I said it's for everyone. It's the best.
You looking for the juice? Oh yeah, we
And
do
some
have.
corn.
What kind of juice did we get?
We got
Apple
From
juice.
what's out in the vestibule? We got Capri Suns, a big case of Capri Suns. They were on sale, and
You want me to
a
go?
case of waters. No, you don't need to bring those.
okay, and then we got.
We keep them out there because it stays cold. Look at Jeremiah.
Go back here. It's cold down here.
It's cold. It's cold, baby. Oh, it's all right.
So, yeah, let's
It's okay. All right, cut. All right, guys. So we will see you again in the next video when we're not looking crazy. Okay.
And then we gonna, and soon me and Jibby
You
gonna
know what?
make a video. and
Yeah,
it's gonna,
maybe it can be of you playing in the snow if it actually snows today.
And it's gonna be called.
All right, y'all. We don't know what Jasiah talking about. He need to chill out a little bit, but it's all right. So where's Janiah? So we will see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Hey.